In this video, I'll show you how to export the files from your SmileFy iPhone. So open the software and then go over here on the top left corner, go to My Patients and look for your patient. Then hit Open. And let's say that you are satisfied with the 3D design that you created. If you don't want to open the whole case, you can just scroll over here and at the bottom and you'll find several screenshots of the design itself. See, like several photos of it. And to export, simply tap on Export. So if you scroll up, you will find a button called Export. You select the file that you want to export. If you have more than one case, and hit Open. Now the files are being downloaded from the SmileFy cloud. You wait a few seconds. And this whole process is pretty normal, okay? You see here like a please wait, because the files are basically getting into your phone right now. So here is the mockup. You can't do anything with it yet. It's still generating the file. As you can see, it takes maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds for everything to pop up. All right, so then pop-up message will appear. Okay, if you wanna export all projects, that means the original files, the photographs, the mockup itself, the teeth separate. Let's say you want to work on another software, or you want to share these teeth designs and the teeth templates with another person. Select all project. But if you want to just export the design that you have in your app, then go to Select Files. And then here you will find 3 folders. The one that I want you to tap on is the digital model. Now look that I tap on digital model and then another folder just appeared, right? So over here we have mockup. So I tap mockup, and then if I scroll to the right, you will find here motivational mockup. Okay, and this is the file, the STL file with the mockup that you created. Okay, this is just like a bunch of folders that are being opened one after the other until you find the actual file, just like as you were in your computer. Now that I have selected in this check mark box, I select Export. You can export it as a zip file, which is kind of like a compressed file, or as a folder. I like to select as a folder, and then you can send it to your SmileFy drive, which is a drive that is available to every SmileFy member. It has 10 gigabytes. All you have to do is to go to smilefydrive.com and locate your account with the same credentials that you use for your SmileFy. Or you can hit Others and send it to whoever you want to via AirDrop, messages, mail, Google Drive, and etc. All right, I hope this video was helpful, and I see you in the next video.